So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll unbox this amazing heating pad. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. So basically it's a heating belt by Tata 1mg Ortho. So as you can see, here is the description and basically it's overview. So basically here are the specifications and how to use it, and as you can see here are the safety voltage information also. So now let's unbox it together. So let's start. So basically you can use it directly like this, or if you want to just use it as a belt, you can use the cover. Let me show you how you can. And here is the basically warranty instructions and guide. So just put inside it. Now this is the slider. So if you want to increase the heating temperature, just use it and just use it. And this is the plug. So basically you can use it in inverter also. So that's what about this video and unboxing of the heating belt. So do like the video and subscribe the channel. I shared the link in the description. You can buy it from there also. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.